time to remove this plastic cover on the bumper. The reason you do that is because you have to know where to grill. After drilling all the holes, you need to lead the wire into the bumper or remove the bumper if you like. There is a special tool to lead the wires, which you just lead under the bumper and then you tie it to the wires. Now I'm using a self-made tool to lead the wires. From the engine bay of the firewall, you take the tool and you lead it into the cockpit. And here you tape the wire to the wire puller, and from the engine bay you pull out the wire that is going to be at the control box. Here I'm connecting the screen that is going to be in the car to the control unit. You will need to pull a positive cable from the engine bay all the way back to the backlights. Here I'm screwing in the ground. Now I'm connecting the wire that is gonna go through the whole car. Now I'm pulling the wire through a seal that is going to go all the way to the back of the car. Leading the wire into the dash now. Now you move the plastic part away so you can lead the wire under them so it won't show. Just like this. Now to pull the wire from the front door behind the plastic trims to the back door. Tape the positive cable to the wire puller and pull it to the other side. Just like this. Now I'm hiding the wires so you won't be able to see them. Exactly as I did in the front, I'm gonna do in the back. Since the back seat won't open, we have to find a hole somewhere to lead the wires to the trunk. And here the wire comes out to the trunk. Now to remove the trunk's interior so the wires can get behind it. Now I'm closing the trunk to see if the wire gets pinched or not. Now we want to locate where the brake light is so we can connect the positive cable to it. On the back of the light you can see a diagram. Now we know where the brake light is. Now we just need to find the color of the wire that we're gonna connect our positive cable on. So if you just follow from above to down, you will see where the wire is gonna be. Now we know that it's the third wire. The way you connect it from behind, you just count the wires. 1, 2, 3. Now I won't be needing to solder. I just cut the wire, put the positive and the lamp wire in one end and just the lamp wire in the other end. Now the trunk interior back to its place and reverse everything you did.
Det är bara att koppla om dem. Ja, alltså. Förstår du? Om de är kopplade så bara koppla om dem. För det är exakt samma anslutning till dem.
Innan